public interest litigation before the Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa, challenging the unconstitutional lifetime cabinet status given to former Chief Minister Mr. Pratapsingh Rane. I have in my petition pointed out that the lifetime cabinet status to Pratapsingh Rane was given malafidely in exchange for him deciding not to contest the Porian constituency and make way for his daughter-in-law to contest on the BJP ticket. I have given all these details in the petition. The Honorable High Court was today pleased to admit the petition and has kept the matter on 2nd of May for interim relief. By way of interim relief, I have sought that the notification issued on 7th January be stayed. I have also drawn the attention of the court today that Mr. Pratapsingh Rane, by virtue of this cabinet status, is entitled to 12 staff. So he has already submitted the list of 12 staff that he wants to be allotted to him. And after receiving that, the Secretariat officials have swiftly moved and created those 12 posts, which will be filled to assist Mr. Pratapsingh Rane in this lifetime cabinet status given to him. I have also pointed out to the court that these 12 staff itself will cost the state exchequer around 90 lakhs a year. So this is a drain on the exchequer, unconstitutional. And I've pointed out to the court today that this court, in an earlier PIL filed by me in 2007 against the appointment of parliamentary secretaries with cabinet status, the High Court had held that it was all illegal and quashed the notification. That matter was decided by the High Court by a division bench in their judgment in 2009. So all this is placed before the court. Now the court will hear the matter on 2nd of May on the point of interim relief.
Thank you very much.